Hey, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make apps smoother with Android 16 navigation upgrade. So, in new upgrade, they have this feature that is predictive back gestures. So there are two options. The first one if you use 3-button navigation system on your device, and the second if you use gesture navigation. So first of all, if you have 3-button navigation, all you're gonna do is long press the back button, which is this triangle icon. And when you do this, the current screen should pop up slightly, revealing the preview of the previous screen. And if you want to go back to the previous page, you want to simply release your finger like this. But if you change your mind when you long press the back button, all you're gonna do is slide your finger off the button before releasing your finger. So again, long press and release. Okay, and now let me switch to gesture navigation. So now you want to, if you want to use this back preview animation, you want to start by slowly swiping inwards from the left or from the right side of the screen. It doesn't really matter. And when you drag, again, the current screen will shrink a little bit, and then you want to finish the swipe by releasing your finger. But if you decide that you do not want to go back, so you slide your finger and you'll want to simply drag your finger back to the original position of the page. So just like this. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.